Hello, today my lecture number from 4 from MSc Previous Chemistry, Paper 2nd, Unit First. Myself, Dr. Sushil Kumar Yadav, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Government Dumur College, Bikaner. Today my first topic is aromaticity. The content of aromaticity is: first one, what do you mean by aromaticity? Second, the criteria for aromaticity. Third one is difference between aromatic, anti-aromatic and non-aromatic. And the last one is fourth point, aromatic heterocyclic compounds. First point is, what is aromaticity? The aromaticity is defined as a property of the conjugated cycloalkenes which enhance the stabilization of a molecule due to its ability of electrons present in the pi orbital for the purpose of delocalization. The aromatic molecules are said to be very stable and they do not break so easily and also react with other types of substance. The organic compound which are not said to be aromatic are known as aliphatic compound. These might be in cyclic form, but only the aromatic rings have a special kind of stability. The criteria of aromaticity, my second point. The four structural criteria must be satisfied for a compound to be aromatic. The first one, a molecule must be cyclic. In benzene, the compound is cyclic compound, means every p orbital overlaps with the two neighboring p orbitals, which is known as aromatic. Means to be aromatic, each p orbital must overlap with p orbital on adjacent atoms. The second point is a molecule must be completely conjugated. Aromatic compound must have a p orbital on every atom. In first example, we shows the benzene, a p orbital on every carbon atoms, a completely conjugated rings. The second is 1,3-cyclohexadiene, which is not aromatic because these rings are not completely conjugated. It has no p orbitals. And the third one is 1,3,5-cycloheptadiene, which is also not aromatic because this ring is also not in completely conjugated, which having no p orbitals. So the first one, the benzene, is aromatic, and the second and third example is not aromatic compound. Third point, a molecule must be planar. All adjacent p orbital must be aligned so that the pi electron density can be delocalized. In first example, cyclooctadiene, which is not aromatic because it is not a planar, because the different shape, first one is tub shape, which is 8 membrane ring, and the third one is half chair, which is adjacent p orbital cannot overlap, electron cannot delocalize. The fourth point, a molecule must be satisfy Huckel rules and contain a particular number of pi orbitals. What do you mean by the Huckel rule? First point, an aromatic compound must contain 4n plus 2 pi electrons. The value of n is equal to 0, 1, 2 and so on. Second point, cyclic planar and completely conjugated compound that contain 4n pi electrons are especially unstable and are said to be anti-aromatic, means which obey the 4n plus 2 pi electron are known as aromatic compound, and which obey the 4n pi electron are known as anti-aromatic. Means the benzene is aromatic and especially stable because it contains 6 pi electrons, which is shown in the diagram first, and the second one is cyclobutadiene, which shows into second diagram, is anti-aromatic and especially unstable because it contains the pi electrons. Means the first example, benzene, which satisfied 4n plus 2 pi electron, means 6 pi electrons. It is known as aromatic compound. And the second one is cyclobutadiene, which having the 4n is equal to 4 pi electron, which is anti-aromatic compound. Now we considering aromaticity. A compound can be classified in one of three ways. First one is aromatic. What do you mean by aromatic? Is cyclic, planar, completely conjugated compound which having 4n plus 2 pi electron is known as aromatic compound. The second one is anti-aromatic, means a cyclic, planar, completely conjugated compound which having the 4n plus pi electron. Means the major difference between the aromatic and anti-aromatic having the 4n plus 2 pi electron having aromatic and the 4n pi electron having the anti-aromatic. Now the third one is not aromatic, non-aromatic, also known as a compound that lacks one and more of the following requirement for aromaticity, being cyclic, planar, or completely conjugated. These compounds are known as not aromatic or also known as non-aromatic compounds. On the relationship between each compound type and a similar open chain molecule having the same number of pi electrons. The first one example is benzene and the second one is 135 hexatriene, which benzene is more stable due to aromatic compound. The second example between the cyclobutadiene and 1,3-butadiene, cyclobutadiene having the less stable due to anti-aromatic compound. And the third example which has in the 1,3-cyclohexadiene and cis-2,4-hexadiene, both are non-aromatic having the similar stability of the compound. Aromatic heterocyclic compound. The first example is pyridine, which having the heteroatoms donates electrons, and the next example is heteroatom donates 2 electrons to 1 electron, which having the pyrrole, furane, and thiophene. Heterocyclic compound has ring atoms other than carbon. The heteroatom donates either 1 or 2 electrons on the pi system. In pyridine is 6-membered heterocyclic with a nitrogen atom in its ring. Pi electron structure resembles benzene, 6 electrons. The nitrogen lone pair electrons are not part of the aromatic system. Second example is pyrrole, a 5-membered heterocyclic with 1 nitrogen. Pi electron system similar to that of cyclopentadienyl anion. Nitrogen atom is sp2 hybridized and lone pair of electron occupies a p orbital, means 6 pi electrons. Furane structure. In furane and thiamine structure are similar. These electrons are not involved in the pi system. Aniline. Hydrocarbon containing a single ring with alternating double and single bonds are called anilines. Completely conjugated rings larger than benzene are also aromatic if they are planar and have 4n plus 2 pi electrons. To name an aniline, indicate the number of atoms in the ring in bracket and add the word aniline. First example is 14 carbon having the 14 aniline, and the second example is 18 carbon, so it is known as 18 aniline. Both are aromatic compounds which obey the Huckel rule 4n plus 2 pi electron. First one is 14 aniline 4 pi electron and the second one is 18 electrons. 10 alanines has 10 pi electron which satisfied Huckel rule, but a planar molecule would place the two hydrogen atoms inside the ring too close to each other. Thus, the ring puckers to relieve the strain. Since 10 alanine is not planar, the pi electrons cannot delocalize over the entire ring and it is not aromatic. Now, the second topic is inductive effect. The inductive effect, the polarization of a pi bond due to electron withdrawing or electron donating effect adjacent groups or atoms is called the inductive effect. The silent features of an inductive effect. It arises due to electronegativity difference between the two atoms forming a sigma bond. It is transmitted through the sigma bonds. The magnitude of inductive effect decreases while moving away from the group, causing it. It is a permanent effect. It influences the chemical and physical properties of a compound. Aniline. Hydrocarbon containing a single ring with alternating double and single bonds are called anilines. Completely conjugated rings larger than benzene are also aromatic. If first one is negative inductive effect, which is shown by -I, and the second one is positive inductive effect, which shows by +I effect. The types of inductive effect: X is called -I affecting group, which is known as electron withdrawing group. The Y is called the +I affecting group, which is known as electron donating group. The first topic is negative inductive effect -I effect. The electron withdrawing nature of group or atoms is called as negative inductive effect. It is indicated by -I. Following are the examples of group in the decreasing order of their -I effect: NH3, NO2, CN, SO3H, CHO, CO, COH, COCl, CONH2, F, Cl, Bri, OH, OR, NH2, C6H5, and the last one is hydrogen. Positive inductive effect +I effect. It refers to the electron releasing nature of the group or atoms and is denoted by +I. Following are the examples of group in the decreasing order of their +I effect: CH3, CH, CH3 to rise, CH2, CH3, and the last one CH3 and H. Why alkyl groups are showing positive inductive effect through the CH bond is practically considered as nonpolar. There are partially positive charge on hydrogen atom and partially negative charge on carbon atom. Therefore, each hydrogen atom act as electron donating group. The cumulative donation turns the alkyl moiety into an electron donating group. The application of inductive effect. First one is stability of carbocation. The stability of carbocation increases with the increase in the number of alkyl group due to their +I effect. The alkyl group release electron to carbon bearing positive charge and thus stabilize the ion. This is the order of the stability of carbocation. Tertiary is more stable than secondary, secondary is more stable than the primary, and the last one is methyl carbocation. Second point is stability of carbanion. However, the stability of carbanion decreases with increase in the number of alkyl group, since the electron donating alkyl group destabilizes the carbanion by increasing the electron density, and the below table shows the order of stability of carbanion: methyl, then primary, then secondary, and the tertiary. Methyl is more stable than the tertiary carboxylic. Acidic strength of carboxylic acid. The electron withdrawing group -I decrease the negative charge on the carboxylate ion and thus by stabilizing it. Hence the acidic strength increase when -I group are present. However, the +I group decrease the acidic strength. For example, the acidic strength increase with increase in the number of electron withdrawing fluorine atom are shown below. From left to right, CF3CSOH is more acidic than this acetic acid CH3COH. Formic acid is a stronger acid than the acetic acid since the CH3 group destabilizes the carboxylate ion. The formic acid is more acidic than the acetic due to the +I inductive effect of the methyl group attached to the carboxylic acid. Fourth one is basic strength of amines. The electron donating groups While alkyl group increase the basic strength of amines, whereas the electron withdrawing group like aryl groups decrease the basic nature. Therefore, alkyl amines are stronger Lewis base than ammonia, where aryl amines are weaker than ammonia. Thus, the order of basic strength of alkyl and aryl amines with respect to ammonia is shown. Fifth point is reactivity of carbonyl compound. The plus I groups increase the electron density at carbonyl carbon, hence their reactivity towards nucleophiles decrease. Thus, formaldehyde is more reactive than the acetaldehyde and acetone towards nucleophilic addition reaction. Thus, the order of reactivity follows: formaldehyde having the higher reactivity than the acetaldehyde than compared to acetone. First one is negative inductive effect, which shows by minus I, and the second one is positive inductive effect, which shows by plus I effect. The types of inductive effect: X is called minus I affecting group, which is known as T application of inductive effect. First one is stability of carbocation. The stability of carbocation increase with increase in the number of alkyl group due to their plus I effect. The alkyl group release electron to carbon bearing positive charge and thus stabilize the ion. This is the order of the stability of carbocation. Tertiary is more stable than secondary. Secondary is more stable than the primary, and the last one is methyl carbocation.